How to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Facebook Marketplace not showing up. So if you don't see your Facebook Marketplace showing up under your navigation bar on your Facebook, what you'll have to do is follow some steps in order to solve this problem. So the first step is ensuring that the show button of the marketplace is on. And in order to ensure that, you'll have to first of all open your Facebook application, then click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now you'll be in your menu. Here you'll have to scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. After you click on Settings, you'll have to scroll down and under Preferences, you'll have to select Navigation Bar. So click on Navigation Bar and click on Customize the bar. Now you will see a list of buttons appearing. Here you will see Marketplace under Hidden Shortcuts. And if it's hidden, you'll have to click on the hidden button and select Auto. When you select Auto, Marketplace will shift up to the available shortcuts. Now you can go back and see if the problem has been solved or not. As you can see, I can now see the marketplace on my Facebook. But if your problem is still persisting, what you'll have to do is close your Facebook application, then navigate to the Facebook icon, long press it and click on the eye icon that you see. Now scroll down and navigate to Storage. Then click on Clear Cache, and when you click on Clear Cache, it can solve the problem if the first step didn't work. Now go back and check if your problem has been solved or not. If your problem is still persisting, what you'll have to do is simply navigate to your Play Store. Then click on this search icon and search for Facebook. After searching for Facebook, click on Facebook and click on Update button. So if there will be any updates, you'll have to click on Update and make sure your Facebook is updated to the latest version. And if your problem is still persisting after updating it, what you'll have to do is simply click on Uninstall and click on Uninstall again. And after your Facebook will be uninstalled from your mobile completely, you'll have to reinstall your Facebook and see if the problem has been fixed or not. Make sure you follow all these steps and one of them will definitely work. So that's how you fix your Facebook Marketplace not showing up. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.